At Horizon Systems, we specialize in process systems for pet food and treat manufacturers that manage your ingredients and keep your products safe. It begins with ingredient receiving and inventory control. Here, we're utilizing rigid intermediate bulk containers for storage and access to ingredients. Twin Sidewinder filter receivers fill the mixer from silos, bulk bags, and RIBCs according to the recipe, using gain in weight and loss in weight load cells to batch ingredients. The batch mix is then conveyed to the extruder fill system for kibble production. The extruder hood suspends the kibble in a pneumatic airstream as the negative airlift system delivers the product to our horizontal product separator, preserving its shape. The product is then metered by an airlock into the dryer. After the product dries, our Contran transfer technology gently moves the kibble from the dryer to the coater, maintaining its shape and keeping fines to a minimum. The now coated product is cooled and ready for storage and packaging. Contran dense phase transfer technology moves the finished product while minimizing damage and fines. Contact a Horizon Systems representative today to learn more.